G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make 2-ingredient Nutella hot fudge. This is so awesome, it goes well with pretty much everything. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now this is really simple, just 2 ingredients. Get a large scoop of vanilla ice cream and add between 1/4 cup and 1/3 cup of Nutella. Just pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then give it a stir and microwave for an additional 30 seconds if you need that. Now just give it a stir and then put it in for another 30 seconds and that should be it. Now just have it over whatever you want, over a sundae. Oh, I'm just pouring it over some ice cream because I can. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. The moment has arrived. Oh, more fudge. That is so good. Holy grandma running down a hill. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple Cooking Channel.